Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing the React Developer Tools extension and opening Chrome DevTools. Once done, open the site you're inspecting and press Ctrl plus Shift plus I or right-click and choose Inspect. This puts you in DevTools immediately. Then click the React tab, which appears beside Elements and Console, so you can access component trees. You need to ensure the extension is enabled for the page. Otherwise, the tab may be missing. This step gets the inspector ready, so you can interact with components directly. You now explore the component tree. Click a component to reveal props, state, and hooks in the right panel. Once selected, examine the current values and understand why UI renders that way. Changing a prop proxy or state snapshot helps debug. Make sure to use the search box to find components by name and the filter toggles to reduce noise. Also, use the small inspect icon to highlight the DOM node in the page, so you can map virtual components to actual elements visually. You finish by actively changing props or state inline to validate fixes without code rebuilds. This is fast for iterative troubleshooting. Once you've replicated a problem, record a session with the profiler to measure render times and identify wasted renders. Analyze flame graphs and rank charts to prioritize changes. If something goes wrong, make sure the page is using a development build of React, reload the page, and confirm the extension is enabled. That single troubleshooting tip resolves most missing tab or inspect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.